All right, here we go. Here we go. Math day 5, solve each problem. We're gonna do a little zoom in. All right, 20 plus 80. Hopefully you know that 2 tens and 8 tens is 10 tens, which is 100. Okay, if not, draw your picture. 20, 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, 60, 70, 80. I know that if I move these two right over here, that gives me 10 tens, and 10 tens is the same as 100. Number 2, 5 times 8, or 5 groups of 8. So I have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 8 in each group. We can count those up. We've got 16, 16, and 8. We've got 32 and 8. We've got 40. Or you could know that you can use a commutative property, which tells us that 5 groups of 8 is the same as 8 groups of 5. And you can count by 5s 8 times. Oh my goodness. Let's see, 8 times we got 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, 30, 35, 40. Should give you the same answer. No matter how you solved it, you should have gotten 40. Number 3, again, this little symbol means divide, so this would be 12 divided by 8, okay? If you know your multiplication facts, you know that 1 group of 8 is 8, 2 groups of 8 is 16, and we only have 12, so we know that it's probably not going to be an even answer. So let's go ahead and look and see what we can do here. So we know that 1 group of 8 is 8. And if we take 8 away, 1 times 8 is 8. So that leaves us with 4. We cannot divide 4 equally into 8 groups. Okay, so we have 4 left over. Another way to think about this, if you're drawing a picture, you have 12, you have 8 groups. We know you could put 1 in each of these groups. And if you have 4 left over, remainder 4, and you were trying to divide it into these 8 groups, you could put half, that would be 1, half, that's 2, half, that's 3, half, that's 4, which could tell you that this 1 remainder 4 here is also the same as 1 1/2. So either one of these is the correct answer. Let me know if you needed a different explanation for that, and I will get you one. Okay. Number 4, how many groups of 10 are there in 40? Hopefully you know that 40 is the same as 4 groups of 10, which would tell you there are 4 groups of 10 to answer the question. If you're unsure, you can draw a picture to divide. Well, you know you have 40, and if you have groups of 10, that would be 10, 20, 30, 40, 1, 2, 3, 4 groups. Number 5, write 306 in words. Please do your best spelling. 306. Number 6, 9 plus something is 10. Well, if you start with 9 and you want 10, how many more do you add? Bing, just 1. Number 7, circle the best estimate. This is kind of like a guess, but you need to be thinking, so it's like a smart guess. Circle the best estimate for the area of a door. Oh, you can't see. Let me zoom out. There you go. It's a smart guess, or the best estimate for the area of a door. So think about a door, and we're talking about square meters. 1 meter is about 3 feet. Okay, so if it's a square meter, it's this square, but it's 3 feet and 3 feet like this. Okay, So if it's 2 square meters, we've got 3 feet, 3 feet. So this whole thing would be 6 feet squared-ish. Or this would be 6 feet, sorry, not squared. Okay, so 6 feet by 3 feet, or 40 meters squares. And if it's 40 meters squared, I'm so sorry, I'm getting my words mixed up, then we would have to draw 40 of these, which would be 120 feet by 3 feet. So which one would most closely be the area of a door? 2 meters squared. Number 8. What day comes after Sunday? Monday. Please make sure that it is capitalized. Number 9, record the data in the chart using numbers, okay? So this is number of pets. We've got Tyrone, Melissa, Aubrey, Mitch, and Kara. So we just need to make sure that we match it. So we've got Tyrone has 3 pets. Melissa, I'm going to check it off. Melissa has 6 pets. Aubrey has no pets. What number would I put to say no pets? That's right, 0. Mitch has 2 pets, and Kara has 3 pets. So your chart should look like that. And number 10, complete the multiplication wheel. This is something that I don't think I've even ever seen before. Hopefully you figured out how it worked, and if you didn't, that's okay. I'm going to show you now. So all of these numbers here, you're going to multiply by 4. So 4 groups of 1. We're just going to follow it out. 4 groups of 1 would be 4. Okay, 4 groups of 5 would be 20. 4 groups of 8 is 32. 4 groups of 2 is 8. 4 groups of 6 is 24. 4 groups of 10 is 40. 4 groups of 3 is 12. 4 groups of 7 is 28. 4 groups of 9 is 36. And 4 groups of 4 is 16. Let me know if you have any questions on that.